Welcome to Ballistic Products. I'm Dave Fackler. I'm known as the Curmudgeon. Been around doing these things for 50 years. I got my first gun when I was 9 years old. It was a rifle. A little young perhaps, but get me on the right track. I've served as a naval officer in Korea and the Asian area, and picked up a few things here and there. And when I got back to civilian life again, I started making my own ammunition, and it evolved into a company some 50 years later, and so here we are. I appreciate showing everybody what we do, but I spread a little thin. I consult in Europe, I consult in this country to various companies. So if I don't answer your emails or phone calls immediately, I'm off in the weeds someplace. Probably shooting and hunting. Well, we're going to do some roll crimping. And we got a few tools here to show you how it works. We got the standard 1/4 inch drill, and it's running clockwise. These are set up to run clockwise. There's a little pin in there. As this spins, it's going to heat up the plastic, and that's what we want to do. We want to make it malleable. If you use a drill press, that works good too. But I find these are very handy and portable. Another tool you're going to have is a little hull vise. Put the load in there. So we put together out of our fine loading block, which prevents me from knocking everything over and spilling it. So you put it together, the load's together, and we drop in our clear overshot. Now, the advantage of a clear overshot is once you roll crimp, you can see what's inside the load. Now, this is a very cold, not warm start, and it'll work better when we warm it up. So I'm going to let it spin a little bit and pick up some heat and friction. Then I'm going to press down. Voila, roll crimper. It looks just like that. Now if you use a paper top, it looks somewhat the same, except it says Ballistic Products. Very nice touch. Again, for a minute, I'll go a little faster this time. You apply some arm pressure, and there we are once again. These could be 3-inch hulls that you've cut down to 2 3/4 inch, or like the English, they go all the way down to 2 inches. They keep saving hulls and trimming them, and traditionally in England, a 2-inch load is just fine. We have plenty of them in our advantages manual. Same with the slug load. We've loaded the slug like that. We got our powder in there and everything, ready to go. Snap it in. Looks like a factory slug. Beautiful. I could go through a whole bunch of these, but the routine is all the same. You got a 1/4 inch drill, you've got the hull vise, you got your loading blocks, and put your loads together, Zippo, roll crimping. It's nice.
Hi, I'm Grant Fackler, President and CEO of Ballistic Products. I just want to thank you for watching today, and I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you like what you've seen, we have plenty more information online and in our loading manuals. For more information, safety hints, and to sign up for our catalog, be sure to go to ballisticproducts.com and like us on Facebook. Also, you can sign up for our money-saving emails on our homepage. Just sign up Put in your email address and start saving. We'll send you great deals on shipping and product information every week. At BPI, we're always trying to give you more for your money. Our service and technical information is regarded as the finest in the industry. One example of this is our Load of the Week. You can sign up for Load of the Week for updates and look online at www.ballisticproducts.com. Our ballistic lab is always producing something new and interesting for your shooting sports. Remember, it's our goal to improve your shooting sports with better ammunition. So let's keep in touch.